What's up, everybody? Jeff Bernard with Solve Systems here, and I wanted to share something pretty cool about a Shopify and Business Central integration. So, I've been working on a number of these integrations for several customers, specifically when you're using the Shopify POS. So, one thing that we're going to go over is how to map the item numbers to your SKU numbers. This was a pretty interesting concept because this allows for you to sell items, right, from Business Central in Shopify and then have the SKUs pull up in the POS as that item. So you don't have to create barcodes and manage those separately. They can just be managed as your item numbers within Shopify from Business Central. So let's look at how to do it. We are in Business Central and we can see that we have some item numbers here. So we have all of our item numbers, as we can see. And then we'll pivot to Shopify. So when we click into an item in Shopify, we will see that we have no barcode. What do? We have the SKU here, right? And then we have the barcode here. So what we're going to do is export these items, and then we're going to re-import them. We're going to copy the SKU to the barcode, and then we're going to send those back into Shopify. Let's do it. We're back on the main product page, and what we're going to do is export. Actually, we'll highlight everything. So we'll click this box, we'll click select all, and we'll say export. We'll export all products. And then we'll wait for the export to get to us. Right, so we have all of our items in here, right? And then we'll double check that yep, great. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy those to here. And so we have all of this data in these columns and we're good to go. So we'll save this and then we'll re-upload to Shopify. So we'll import and then we will upload this data. We'll overwrite products. And then we'll wait for it to upload. And we can see within our product, we have the SKU. So if it's then flipped to the POS, right, we make it available to our POS. When it's scanned and we create a barcode from it, right, then we'll be able to pull that up in the POS by the item number. So this sort of links the warehousing from Business Central to the Shopify item to where everything sort of stays in sync without having to create and manage an entirely different barcode system. So a customer of mine is doing it, and I thought it was pretty neat. So I hope this is helpful. Reach out to me if you need any development help. Like and subscribe, of course, and get notifications for new content. And yeah, have a good one.